What if the very thing everyone throws away could become the reason you succeed? In a small village lived a boy named Aarav. Unlike other children, Aarav had a strange habit. Whenever he found something broken, a cracked toy, a torn kite, a damaged clock, he would bring it home. The villagers laughed. "Why collect useless things?" they asked. But Aarav always smiled and replied, "Just because something is broken doesn't mean its story is over." His tiny room slowly filled with broken objects. One day, a terrible storm hit the village. Strong winds destroyed roofs, uprooted trees, and damaged many homes. When the storm finally passed, the village looked like a battlefield. People felt helpless. The village chief announced, "We need to rebuild, but we don't have enough materials." Everyone worried. Everyone except Aarav. That night, he walked into his little room. He looked around at all the broken things people had thrown away. An idea sparked in his mind. The next morning, Aarav began working. He took wooden pieces from broken furniture, strings from old kites, wheels from damaged toys, metal parts from abandoned clocks. For days, he worked tirelessly. The villagers watched curiously. Some laughed again. "How can junk solve our problems?" But Aarav kept going. Finally, he revealed his creation. Using the discarded materials, he had built simple tools to help repair homes faster. He had also created small wind power devices that could pump water from the village well. The villagers were amazed. The very things they had called useless were now helping rebuild their lives. Within weeks, the village recovered. During a celebration, the chief stood before everyone and said, "We thought these objects were worthless." He then placed a hand on Aarav's shoulder. But this boy saw value where others saw failure. That day, Aarav shared a lesson the villagers never forgot. Broken things are not useless. He paused, and neither are broken dreams, broken plans, or broken hearts. Sometimes, what seems damaged today becomes the foundation of something greater tomorrow. Years later, people still remembered Aarav, not because he collected broken things, but because he taught everyone that failure is not the end of a story. It is often the beginning of a new one. Don't throw away your dreams just because they didn't work the first time. A broken path can still lead to an extraordinary destination.